Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else.
Hey ladies and gents, it's your girl LaceMeLemon coming back with another video. Today we're going to jump right into this because I know a lot of people have been waiting on this. This is your double frontal ponytail installed. So you're going to start off with molding the hair into the ponytail like you would with any other frontal ponytail. The only difference with the double frontal ponytail is that there is a lace in the front and there is a lace on the nape. So, and don't forget to wipe off that hairline with your but your witch hazel and your skin protectant, the front and the back of the nape. As you can see, I jumped right into doing the ball cap. If you want a more detailed video, a very beginner friendly video on the ball cap method, I will do that for you guys. So you want to go ahead and blend that ball cap in. Make sure you blend it in. You want it the same skin tone as your client, and you want to make sure you place the frontal onto your client's head. This is just a quick little sped through, but I'm pretty sure if you're missing anything, you'll catch it in this video. What I like to do first is sew it down, that first frontal in the front. I like to sew it down. It's just easy to me to sew it down versus placing the frontal on the head right then and there glued already, because I see that a lot of crinkles begin to come in the back of the lace and I got to pull it back, and so I just go ahead and get my client to hold it and sew the back of the frontal down. Okay, once my glue dries clear, I'm going to go ahead and place my lace frontal into my glue. As you can see, I'm pressing that lace in there. You want to make sure you do that. Look at that hairline, and everything isn't even glued down yet. That's why customization is really so important. I'm gonna do a video on that too for y'all too, but go ahead and press that hairline down and go ahead and cut off your ear tabs or whatever lace that isn't glued down yet. And while it's on their hair, I do a little bit of customizing too. That's just how I like to do it. I customize before and I customize while it's on their head. So like I said, just go ahead and customize to your liking, for really what you like. So at this point, you're going to see me cutting the ear tabs. You want to cut that in a V. That clip got lost, and I'm so sorry about that. But yeah, cut that in a V, and as you can see, her hairline is really customized. You can see it from the sides, the dip in the sides. Like, I really took my time and customized her hairline, and you want to make sure you do that as well with your clients. Now we're going on to the back, the tricky part that everybody hates. The back, you want to do the same thing. Sew down that back part of that frontal. As you can see, I split the frontal in half, and now I'm going ahead and I'm gluing it down. And make sure you take your time with this. It took me, because we were recording and everything too, it took me 4 hours to do this. But sometimes it takes 3. So I would say it takes me a while to do a frontal ponytail. It really does. And that's why you need to charge your worth as well, because this is a lot of work versus a 360. See, look at the back of that hairline. It looks great, you guys. It is well blended. It's plucked. Remember, in the back, your hair is the thickest. So you don't got to go plucking crazy in the back. You do not have to do that. So right now, you're going to see me start to cut that lace off. Then I'm going to show you guys the back view of it as well in a little bit. So now as for that side piece, it always is going to be a gap there. Some people just leave the natural hair out right there and blend it in, while I like to take the pieces of the frontal that I cut off. I like to take those pieces and just slide it in that little section right there, just to make it look more seamless. But you can get away with just leaving their natural hair out there too, because I see some people do that and it looks pretty good. I might try that next go around and see how it goes. But if their hair matches the hair color and everything, then you can pull that off. So at this point, you just want to go ahead and put your glue there. And like I said before, you want to make sure you wait till that dry too, because when you put the lace down and that glue is not dry, girl, that's a whole goddamn mess. Like, oh my god, don't do that. But as you can see right now, I'm placing it there, pressing in. Like I told you guys, make sure you press that lace in, baby. Don't be scared. Your hands should be clean at all times anyway. And this is just a little 360 turn of it. Yeah, see how seamless the back is and the sides. That's what I love about it. So at this point, I went ahead and I did the baby hairs, and now I'm going ahead and I'm molding the hair into place. I want to get me a camera too, you guys, because my phone is always out of storage and that just kills me. But yeah, go ahead and mold your hair into place and use your got to be for this. All you need is got to be to just mold your ponytail into place. Okay, so at this point, we want to get into the styling. And y'all, I am very long-winded. I love to talk, so I'm going to talk. Okay. So right now, let's just get into the styling. Make sure you got that hot comb, baby. If they told you ain't need no hot comb to do a wig install, frontal install, whatever, they lied. They lied. You need it. You need that thing flat, baby. Flat. So at this point, I'm just going ahead and I'm starting with the styling. Ooh, don't burn your client. Don't burn her. But this is my best friend, so she'll be all right. But yeah, go ahead and start, freshening up that hair. Neatness is everything. Make sure that hair is neat, you guys. Make sure you take your time. Take your time. I made sure I left this clip in here to show you guys that you need to go over your work. Make sure you go over your work. And here is the finished result, you guys. Like, look at it. Like, that thing is slayed, honey. Don't forget to press that subscribe button. Comment below what videos you guys want to see. And thank you for watching. Like, this is the look, baby. I love it. Like this video, you guys. Thank you. See you next time.